The reason I love the Helios hairdryer is because it's super light, it's super powerful, and I know it's going to give me an incredible finish.
There's many things I love about Helios. I think my top are the speed for sure. Helios is perfect for people that like to dry their hair very quickly but are still able to shape their hair. And that is its biggest point, is the fact that you can speed dry a look, but you can create something fantastic.
With my GHD Helios, what gives hair that incredible shine and the 3 times more hair alignment is the patented AeroPrecise technology.
It's insane for things like frizzy hairlines, really achieving amazing volume, and the shine is dramatic.
One of the great things about GHD Helios is the array of attachments available. I can choose between the wide nozzle, the diffuser nozzle, or the comb attachment nozzle to really personalize my client's hair for them and their hair type.
Best on the 3As, the 3Bs, the 3Cs, 4A, 4B, 4Cs, because this texture tends to get frizzier, so this comb attachment would help stretch it but still keep a nice sheen in the hair as well. That diffuser is great for the client who has the kinky, the coily, the wavy, and they just want to make it more defined.
I recommend GHD Helios to my clients who desire that salon quality blow dry in the comfort of their own home, especially if they have frizzy or unmanageable hair, as GHD Helios drastically speeds up drying time and improves shine by 30%.